Gingerly, she pats the water to make waves, as if insects were landing on the surface. The fish moves in to investigate a potential meal. A split second is all she needs to scoop the fish to shore. Landing a meal this slippery needs special equipment. Her semi-retractable claws and partially webbed feet are perfect for the job. At dawn, the fishing cat is back on the hunt. Even a bird within leaping distance is worth a try. She cannot linger for a second try. She has somewhere to be. Her cubs are waiting. But she's not alone. Her den has an unwelcome visitor. One bite to her or her cubs would be fatal. She stands her ground.